In this video, we'll go over how to add designators on the assembly layer to be used for assembly drawings. Designators for the assembly drawing are stored on a specific layer, the assembly layer. To automatically add designators and a designator layer, go to Tools, Add Designators for Assembly Drawing. If no paired designator layer currently exists, a pop-up will appear. Click Yes. A paired layer for the designators is created, and the designators appear in the center of each component, where the only thing left to do is adjust the font settings. We'll select all the designators by right-clicking on one and selecting Find Similar Objects. With the designator selected, we change the text height and font type in the Properties panel. To add designators to the PCB library, use the same process. Go to Tools, Add Designators for Assembly Drawings. This will create a new layer and designator for each component.